Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I'm going to safely, as best we can, without an air filtration unit, how to inject some spores into some pasteurized rye berry jars for colonizing your mycelium. And I find these are the best way. I've used the all-in-one grow bags. They were a good idea, but I've had more problems with them than with these things. These things are great. You can grow, fully colonize this within, a week, 3 weeks, two to 3 weeks. But today I'm going to try to take these 2 syringes and get them injected into these 5 jars. So I'll probably use 1 for 2, maybe use the other one to see if I can't get a third in each of those today so I can get 5 growing. Otherwise I just have a random jar laying around. So anyhow, I have my little unit here. It's been sterilized inside, and we'll show you how it goes. So first thing you want to do, as always, you want to make sure everything is sterilized. I clean everything very well. I'll even take this aluminum foil off in a minute. Sterilize the top when I move it into the chamber, including everything that you're touching. Could probably take that out of the bag, but including your syringes on the outside, your hands, everything needs to be as clean as possible, no contaminants. Even the light or something like this that you'll be using, when I inject one of these jars, I'll be injecting just a certain amount, possibly a third or half of the syringe into this. So every time I pull that needle out, it could become contaminated before I put it into the next jar. So in between each one of those, I'm going to have to sterilize that needle, get that needle nice and red and hot so I can re-inject the next jar. Put them in a dry, dark spot for a while. Check them every few days, and just you'll start seeing the mycelium grow in there. A lot of times it may start down at the bottom, but you'll see it grow on the inside whenever you inject it first and then out.
pretty cool.
Okay. So these jars, like I said, they're an excellent way to grow spores and grow them quickly. I get these jars from a place called Midwest Organics. None of these have contaminated on me at all. They've been great. I also get my substrate from them. But so far, I've used these probably maybe about 15-20 times, different jars from Midwest, and they've all been very good. No contaminants in the growing of the mycelium process.